How to turn on or turn off call alerts vibrate when call ends on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the More button. Then tap on Settings from the menu. From Call Settings, we then scroll down and tap on Call Alerts and Ringtone. From here, go to the Call Alerts section and tap on Vibrate when call ends. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now when this is turned on, your phone will vibrate when you try to end the call, and that when the phone vibrates, it will indicate that the call has successfully ended. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.